I'm gonna keep this brief.
Okay.
It looks like next chapter we're gonna get some sort of like backstory, like a complete explanation of who Denji really is. You know, a complete explanation, like where he's from, what decisions he's made, and stuff like that. They finally managed to escape Makima, which is nice. Right, Kobani's still alive. Kobani's one of my favorite characters. Top 5 goals in the series. Like, how is Denji? Like, how are they gonna beat Makima? Is what I wanna know. How are they gonna beat Makima? How? Right? No one is afraid of chainsaws anymore. In fact, they love Chainsawman, right? Which means that he's weaker now, right? So that form he had in the previous chapters is not coming back, right? Power's dead, right? And that guy's the OP, the strongest. Whatever that guy's name is, we don't even know that guy's name. Like the strongest devil hunter, right? Or whatever. Right, the octopus guy. Like I don't know what happened. You know that guy with like the octopus tentacles. That guy was OP. I don't know what happened to that guy. All of the fiends are under Makima's control. Mm. Honestly, don't know. Like I've been having a hard time following what's going on. Right, I know that the battle ended. Obviously, right? They escaped. But like, damn, it's really hard to react to chapters like this. Nah, I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna end the video, man. No hugs and kisses this time. Salute to my boy Denji. Salute. Sayonara, man. Like, what are you waiting for? The video is over. You can go. Like, you don't even subscribe to the channel. Okay. You didn't. I know you didn't leave. If you're still here, subscribe. Leave a like. Leave a comment, man. Like, I'll be seeing my videos be getting like, not that many views. You know what I mean? But hey, like if you're watching, you're watching. Leave a review. Come on, son. You know what I'm saying? I'll even show you my dick if you want. Subscribe. Sayonara.